In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Shopify Payments in India. Now, unfortunately, Shopify Payments aren't directly supported, meaning that you're going to need to use a third-party application in order to accept payments. So many common options include C Avenue, 2Checkout, Stripe, which is definitely a really good one, and Cashfree and Phone PEPG. So there's a lot of great options out there, and I recommend using Stripe because that actually will get the job done. So that means you will need to go ahead and actually add that into your Shopify store. All right, what I also recommend that you guys do is open up another tab, then go ahead and look at Shopify's official list of supported payment methods. So here's all the supported payment methods. As you're able to tell, we do have Stripe right over here. We also do have things like PayPal as well. So these are basically all of the different options that you guys can go ahead and use. Razorpay is also another great option as well that I recommend that you guys will go ahead and try out. So whatever you end up getting, you want to go ahead and just add that over to your Shopify website. Typically, whenever you sign up for these services, it is going to give you instructions on how to actually apply it over to your Shopify store so that you can accept payments from India. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.